Next station, Yanchep, where this service terminates.
Well, it appears I've lost my smart rider. It gets fallen out of my pocket on the train, which isn't good. Alrighty, yeah, they got free donuts out here. Wow, it's quite a big line to get free donuts. Free sausage sizzle. Quite easily, probably 1,000+ people out here. So a very big community day for Western Australia. The grand opening of the Yanchep train station.
If I go like this, you'll be able to get the head in of the footage.
So far so good. Wow, very leathery kind of. I think we're getting on okay.
Yeah. No, she's doing well.
Very nice pet. Just carried on the train home with me. Just like it's a normal thing. Wow.
Take 2 steps that way, just in case.
Yep, got my pet snake with me.
I'm so sorry. I didn't want to.
I can feel it crawling under my arm.
Some people are like, oh my god.
I can feel her wrapping herself around me. But it's comfortable. She seems okay. Alrighty. Thank you so much. Yeah. Wow, thank you so much.
No worries, buddy. Alright. Oh, you want to hold down
Well, that was an interesting experience. And I have a python wrap around me. Always something new and exciting in Perth. Many snakes in Australia. Alright, what's up in this corner over here? Metronet, the new C-Series train. Looks like they've got some sort of show bags that they're handing out. So I should probably give myself one. Hello, how are you today? What do we got here? Hey, cool. Can I have one of these as well? Thanks. This side is your fellow hill. Very cool.
They like that hole? He doesn't have to go around your neck.
Here he is. Oh, that's it.
Just cruising along looking for a comfy spot. He really only eats things that are red or black.
What kind of snake is that?
He's a children's python.
Children's python.
You are? Where? Christmas tree. Oh really? Who is? Oh, who's or something?
I'm not sure. I don't know. I learned Firefly, so it comes up for Christmas, right?
Yeah. Really, if they're already calm, keep them calm. Which is the main thing. Your body language is what snakes react to.
So if you stay calm.
If you move fast, they will move fast.
Yeah.
That's really just like the bottom line. If you're an apex predator, anything you do that's quick towards them is perceived as predatory movement. So just nice and slow, honestly. Take your time. And if you're in a room, they get tired much quicker than you do. So just take it step by step. They'll get tired. No worries. Would you like to have a hold of this guy?
I just want the tray.
No, not without sticks and stuff. They're dangerously venomous.
Yeah. So they don't live in these?
No.
They're in bigger things.
Yeah, this is
Caution,
just
venomous snake. One death adder.
So are these like
There it is.
rescue? Get these from like the wild?
a lot of them. We've got about 50 snakes or more at this stage. A lot of them we do, come into doing professionally sort of 30%, so they're not able
we've got a bobtail lizard in here. Yeah, bobtail lizard.
It's a lizard.
Yeah, very cool. Blended in, camouflage quite well.
I think this one was saved from.
And here we've got a python, a wormer python. The water bottle there. Where is it? Can't seem to see it anywhere. Spider lovers. Caution, venomous creature, tarantula. There we go. Found it. The tarantula in the... Don't want to get bitten by that. What else we got here? We got
Gerald tarantula here. Sorry, scorpion here.
Oh wow.
And
Oh, I see it.
cool
There
thing
we go.
about scorpions, they do fluoresce under UV light.
Yeah.
So this light's got, you know, some purple and some UV bulbs in it. So if you go out at night with one of these torches, you can see.
Yeah, you can easily
see
spot
them.
them.
Yeah. So you
Ah, so what
go-
are some of the symptoms of the bite from one of these
well, we
scorpions?
haven't had any deaths in Australia
Yeah.
in over 50 years from, you know, any of the spiders or scorpions. We've got readily available anti-venom and things like that.
Yeah.
Usually a lot of like sort of headaches, nausea,
Yeah.
things like that. But,
Okay.
yeah, they can still make, you know, people really quite sick. Say anyone that suspects getting bitten, say go to a hospital.
Yeah, seek first aid.
Yeah,
Right away.
but usually before they go to anti-venom, they'll symptomatically treat someone. Yeah, so yeah.
Cool. Interesting lot of things out here.
Just to your right there,
Yeah.
big python out. That's
Wow.
black-headed python.
What kind of python is it?
Black-headed python.
Black-headed python.
They live up north and they get bigger than that, and they can eat wallabies and things like that.
Interesting.
Very big.
I'll have to have a look.
Where's the river? Oh, check that.
Playing hide and seek up here in the corner. So there's cricket that's munching on.
I need the toilet. I'll be back in a second. Okay? Hello, Jackie. You good? You want me to grab it?
When I was a kid, this happened to me as well. I was just a little boy in Singapore Zoo. Yeah, Singapore Zoo. So just like the very giant snake.
And they just put it on you?
Yeah, just like this giant coil of a lovely snake just all around us in my kid-sized form.
Really? About there. No, on my shirt. God damn it.
Uh-oh. Oh no.
You got it? Buttons back up. Come on here. Right on, buddy.
I believe they've been working on this for quite a while, this 14.5 kilometre rail extension. There's a big line if you want a free sausage sizzle. Maybe there's buses down there, or is that parking, I believe? Yeah. Have a look and see what's up by this shed up here. It's not raining, so that's good. It rained pretty much the whole trip here. And ambulance, just in case anyone needs it. And the Yanchep car park for the train station here. So plenty of parking if you need it. Wow, very interesting. Brand new train station. Oops. And I believe they got lots of goodies that they're giving away today as well. I think there's a coffee truck just over there. We got some nice seats out here as well. I don't know if these are just here for today or they'll be permanently out here. That fellow here really enjoying his hot dog. So here, Yanchep station entrance as you go through. This is one of the entrances, I believe. So these are the lines for the sausage sizzle and the free donuts. And I'm gonna have to get a ticket back to Perth because I think the smart rider actually fell out of my pocket on the train. So these things happen. Alrighty, back into Yanchep station. These appear to be new smart rider hubs where you can buy cards and add value. How can we help you? Well, I think I need to buy a smart rider. Minimum transaction $20.25. Okay. So, impressions overall, very nice facility, brand new, lovely, and I thoroughly enjoyed getting to hold a snake. Wasn't expecting that today, so highlight of the day definitely. I want a python now. I want a pet python. All right. What else is down here? Maybe there's travelators down here. Check out the travelators and go downstairs to the train station.
We don't need to go on the front.
Wow, a brand new travelator. Or escalator, sorry. Yes, not a travelator, an escalator. Weather's cleared up a bit. And that's the train there that'll be going to Perth. So Yanchep to Perth on the new 14.5 kilometres stretch of rail track. We'll have a look down here. It's saying 22 minutes on the sign up there. But I don't know if that's when it leaves. Yeah, maybe that's when the next one goes. You can see it there with my ultra long stretchy arms. 21 minutes. Okay, got 6 cars. So there's people on there already. They got a map here. So this is where we are. And this is all the new lines. So starting from here, we went past Alkimos, Eglinton, and landed in Yanchep. So we commenced the journey at Perth. Well, I actually started here at Claysbrook, so went all the way up there. So that took about 45 minutes, maybe 45 minutes to an hour or so. Yeah, good part of an hour. Oh wait, actually, this one here says 5 minutes, so this one leaves in 5 minutes time. And then it says Perth 35 minutes. Yeah. Brand new train run. Well, I'm gonna board the train and enjoy the ride back to Perth. interesting to note, in front of me is an infrastructure diagnostic vehicle. So I'm most curious to know whether that was used up along on the Yanchep line to make sure everything was working well on the train line. So this is at the Claysbrook